Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to connect Arlo camera to Google Home Hub, and this is officially from Arlo. So to launch this first, you go ahead and open up Google Home app on your mobile device, tap on the add icon. Remember guys, you can only add Arlo devices from the main Arlo account. Okay, if you are a grant access user, you cannot add Arlo devices to Google Home. So if you are at the main account, just go ahead and set up a device and choose Works with Google. Use the search icon to find and tap Arlo. And then just go ahead and input your Arlo login credentials and verify permissions to link Arlo with your Google account. And if the Arlo Secure app is already installed and logged in on the same device, Google automatically opens the Arlo Secure app so you can verify your login. So what you need to do, guys, is choose the Arlo devices you want to connect to Google Home and assign each one a group, right? And after the connection, Arlo will load the camera live view in the Google Home app. And to test your camera stream on a Chromecast device, you just need to go ahead and say, "Hey Google, show," and then just name the room where the camera is placed on and the name of the Google device. Okay. And then to end the stream, just say, "Hey Google, stop," and just the name of the Chromecast device, okay? And it's really that easy and simple. So if you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.